ТЕЛЕСАБАК.
Hello, my dear children. How are you today? I'm very glad to see you. Let's start our lesson. Dear children, let's review the verb to be in positive, negative, and question. Look at the chart again, please. I'm from America. We are from Kyrgyzstan. You are from Russia. He is from China. They are from China. She is from Great Britain. It is a cat. I'm not from America. We are not from Kyrgyzstan. You are not from Russia. He is not from China. They are not from China. She is not from Great Britain. It is not a cat. Question. Am I from America? Yes, I am. Are you from Kyrgyzstan? Yes, we are. Are you from Russia? Yes, you are. Is he from China? Yes, he is. Is she from Great Britain? No, she is not. Is it a cow? No, it is not. Look at the table and choose. Is, am, or are. The book, yellow. Is, am, or are. Yes, you're right. The book is yellow. She is a teacher. I am very happy. They, am, is, are from Russia. Yes, they are from Russia. You are a good student. The pen is red. We are sad. Today, we are going to speak about the nouns. Имя существительное. Зат, оточ. What is a noun? Зат, оточ деген эмне? Что такое имя существительное? Noun is a part of speech that names an object, person, or phenomenon and answers the questions who, what. Examples. Who? A mother, a father, a dog, a cat. What? A desk, a pen, a pencil, a book. Nouns can be uncountable and countable. Also, nouns can be plural and singular. Заттын атын билдирген сөздөр зат аточ деп аталат. Зат аточ ким, эмне, кимдер, эмнелер деген суроого жооп берет. Мисалы, бул эмне? Дептер, китеп, калемсап жана башкалар. Бул ким? Мугалим, окуучу, ата, апа жана башкалар. Зат атоочко жекелик жана көптүк түрүндө суроо берилет. Ким, эмне? Жекелик түргө берилет. Kimdir, эмнелер көптүк түргө берилет. Ребята, существительные – это части речи, которая обозначает предмет, лицо или явление и отвечает на вопросы «кто?», «что?». Например, кто? Мама, папа, учитель. Что? Парта, книга, тетрадь. Существительные в английском языке могут быть исчисляемыми и неисчисляемыми. Также существительные могут быть как единственного, так и множественного числа. Nouns can be uncountable. For example, water, sugar, lemonade. We can't count them, so they don't have plural. Nouns can be countable. We can count them. They have plural. Countable nouns. Singular, plural. Examples. A cat, cats. 3 cats. A dog, 5 dogs. A table, 2 tables. A chair, 10 chairs. A desk, 5 desks. A book, 7 books. Whistling consonants. S, sh, ch, x. Es, is. Bus, buses. Dish, dishes. Church, churches. Box, boxes. Also, potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. After voiced consonants. Dog, dogs. S. After voiceless consonants. Cat, cats. Book, books. F changed viz, v, z. Shelf, shelves. Knife, knives. Dear children, some nouns are exceptions. You need to remember. Look and say man, men, woman, woman. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Child, children. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Dear children, open your textbook. Let's do exercise 1, page 95. Look. Next, our exercise will be 2, page 96. Look and write. 1 pen, 5 pens. 1 window, 3 windows. 1 notebook, 3 notebooks. 1 ruler, 3 rulers. 1 pencil, 4 pencils. 1 fox, 2 foxes. 1 marker, 3 markers. 1 chair, 2 chairs. 1 bench, 2 benches. 1 sharpener. Next exercise 3, page 97. Count and write. Count and write. 1 cat. 5 hats. 3 ducks. 2 chairs. 9 books. 4 fans. 8 pens. 7 cups. 10 ships. 3 plates. 5 foxes. 1 hat. Let's do the crossword exercise 4, page 98. Blackboard. Blackboard. Across. Book. Book. Down. Chairs. Chairs. Down. Sharpener. Sharpener. Down. Eraser. Eraser. Across. Chairs. Door. Door. Down. Windows. Windows. Across. And desks. Desks. Down. My dear children, let's sing a song about English nouns. My dear children, my lesson is over. Goodbye. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.